Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use your WhatsApp avatar as profile picture. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. You can create an avatar to use as your profile photo and as a sticker on your WhatsApp. You can also use your avatar to reach the status update. You can either create an avatar manually within WhatsApp on your mobile device or automatically generate suggested avatars with a photo. Once you create it, you'll have personalized stickers of your avatars to share with your contacts. You'll see this appear automatically in your sticker tray. So, what if you want to use your avatars as your profile picture on WhatsApp? It's so simple. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. I've made my avatar before. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Now tap on settings. There is an option under the privacy avatar. You can tap on that. So here's my avatar that I've just made before. If you want to use this avatar as your perfect profile pictures, you can choose on here. You can see there is options. Browse sticker, create profile photo. You can tap on that. Tap on create profile photo. Now you can choose the avatar style that you want to use as your profile picture. For the example, I will choose this one. And you can also change the background. I will use this. After that, you can tap on the upper right corner here, checklist. And it's done. You can see here's your profile picture on WhatsApp using your avatars. So that is how to use your WhatsApp avatar as your profile picture on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!